Sorry, I haven't filmed a video in like 3 days, but I'm having too much fun out here in Georgia. It's freaking lit. See, I got my putas. Dude, it's lit. So, we've been riding dirt bikes for the past couple days. We went to Walmart, went to Madison, got some peach ice cream. Dude, that shit's the bomb. Stuff's bomb. It's been pretty lit, dude. The house is literally insane, dude. It is insane. I don't want to show you it because people might come. I don't want to show it. So, yeah, it's actually pretty sick. I'm going to show you, like, the backyard-ish. It's freaking huge. Backyard is huge, dude. I'll probably film a video, like, when I go back on, like, the flight day or something. Yeah, it's going to be pretty sick. So, well, I'm going to show you guys the track that Ezra made. Ezra! Filming a video! There's Ezra and Cairo. Hey, you guys want to see their boots? Freaking sick. Look at their boots.
I'll do my position for you. Ready?
I like it. Here, Ezra, Cairo. Ooh.
Don't copy my position.
Cairo, do that walk. So, here, let's jump. Ezra wants to show us a track that he made for the dirt bikes. Dude, you guys want to see this? Freaking crazy.
Look at all these freaking ants right there.
Look at all these ants.
Oh, dude, there's one crawling up your boot. Where'd you look?
Look at these ants. There's thousands. I know you guys can't see them that well, but there's a freaking lot of ants. So, Ezra, show us the track.
I'll show you guys the whole thing. Oh my god.
How?
It's gonna go up your boot. Oh, dude, there's actually something going up your boot. Those things will bite the hell out of you. Alright, so.
Ezra, don't see that on camera. Bro, there's thousands, bro. Okay, Ezra, show us the track. So I guess we like go over here or something. Butterfly.
Alright, so you come right here. You can already see a little bit of path right here.
So we're not actually gonna do the track today. I'm.
If you film a video, you can film me riding the track.
What?
So you can got this cockpit. Took advantage and made a little rut right there. And you come right here and see the tree.
I'm 11 in shoes. A snake! No, I'm kidding.
You have to go way back over there, and then you turn. And this is
I already see it.
the fun part right here.
See, like the little.
Oh yeah, we made that
Dirt.
just for a little bit of fun. Yeah, we just do that every once in a while, but you go way back over there, and you come back, and you go right here.
Freaking chingon. Chingon. Smoked him. So I'm not actually putting the camera on Edrin. Freaking lit. Oh, shoot, yeah. What is this thing?
Sick, look at this crap. That's pretty darn sick. It's not it's not really watery. And from right there, you go up a little more, and then it's just a complete, look at, put the camera on me.
It's poop.
And you go right here, see? And you go back over there, and it's a big straightaway, and that's the track, folks.
That's lit. That's
Alright guys, I'm gonna show you this anthill. There's a freaking beetle on it.
Where?
And there's gonna be a bunch of ants right now.
Where?
Ready?
Here. All right, let me do it. I have bigger boots.
Swipe! Oh!
Oh! All those black things are ants.
Some of them are little other ones.
Yeah.
Holy crap, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
Dude, all those black things and those white things are bugs. That's nasty. Watch out, watch out.
So guys, yesterday me and Eli got bit by these stupid butt face things.